Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite finds for outdoor decor, these stunning decorative lanterns from ELEATTRUN. If you're looking to add a touch of elegance and warmth to your outdoor spaces, these might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's start with the design. These lanterns boast a timeless black metal frame, which not only looks classy but also ensures durability. What's unique about them is their open design, no glass. This feature not only enhances their aesthetic appeal but also makes them lightweight and easy to maintain. Whether you place them on your front porch, patio, or even indoors, they effortlessly blend with any decor style. The LED pillar candles inside provide a gentle, warm glow that mimics the flicker of real candles without any of the mess or safety concerns. Speaking of which, these LED candles are not only safe but also practical. They run on AAA batteries, which means you can place them anywhere without worrying about wires or outlets. Plus, they have a long lifespan, making them a sustainable choice for ambient lighting. What I love most is their versatility. You can hang them, place them on tables, or even use them as part of a centerpiece. They're perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere during dinners, parties, or simply for relaxing evenings outdoors. Now, let's talk about the details. Each set comes with two sizes, small and large, which adds to their visual appeal. The lacquered finish gives them a polished look that's both modern and classic. With over 500 purchases in the last month alone and glowing reviews, it's clear these lanterns have struck a chord with customers. They're not just a decoration. They're an experience enhancer, perfect for any occasion from daily use to special celebrations. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your outdoor decor game with something that's both functional and stylish, these lanterns from ELEATTRUN are a fantastic choice. They're durable, versatile, and most importantly, they create an ambiance that's hard to beat. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.